In this week's episode, we'll be focusing on our bathroom. So here's where our bathtub will go. Our water heater will go somewhere on the wall here. Our shower will be in this corner. Our ceiling is in place, our wires for our light. Our sink will go somewhere here. And our toilet bowl somewhere here. So this is our post for our electricity, which has been fabricated. So the electrical wires will be tied to the top of the post here, and then at the very bottom that will be buried in cement to keep it upright. It's a very dusty job. Now it's time to dig so we can install the wastage system. Our fuse board has been wired up and here it is. 520 amps and 115 amp. A hole was then knocked through the wall so the wastage could have an outlet connecting it to the septic tank. Here's how it looks on the outside. The next day, the inlet water was being installed. Once that was completed, it was all cemented into place out of sight. Our positioning for our shower and bathtub have all been marked out. Here's where our bathroom fan will be installed.
Here's our exhaust for our toilet to allow any bad smells to escape.
And then also the other one.
Yeah, is that one functioning as well? That one's working.
Yeah, working.
Oh wow, thank you.
All this is working, but I put the plug.
Okay. Is it okay to turn this one on or no because of the cemento? Yeah?
Gamay lang, gamay lang.
Okay.
Yeah, the cement is very cold.
Still wet. Okay. Oh. Okay, thank you.
So it's very old.
Oh.
But I put the one way, the plug, because no, it's always plug, it's not finished.
Okay.
But if you open the plug, the water will
Come out.
Yeah. So you put the plug.
Wow. Thank you.
Our electrical wire has been run from the post. So there it is coming past the neighbour's house. Oh, so now all we need to do is to get it connected to our fuse box. So here's where our shower will be. Here's where our water heater will be. And our bathtub will be in here.
Our bathtub will be installed in a hollow block structure. While processing our requirements for our house inspection, we were informed that new requirements state that we need to have an emergency light and also a fire extinguisher installed inside our house. So we made adjustments to install a socket for the emergency light after we had already finished skim coating the area.
Here's where our emergency light will be.
Glazing putty was then added to the ceiling. We're all set. Next week we will start installing the tiles on the wall. Thanks for watching.